Let me show you all display settings available on Nothing Phone 3. So, in order to find the display settings, we need to of course open settings on our phone and then scroll down a little bit in order to find the display. Over here, of course, we have screen brightness, where we can adjust the brightness level of our screen, or we can toggle automatic screen brightness or adaptive brightness. Then we have the screen timeout, so you can decide after what time of inactivity the phone should turn off the screen. We also have screen attention that allows you to keep the screen enabled if you are looking at it, even if you exceed the screen timeout time. There is also the dark theme, which is enabled by default, but of course we can easily disable it over here. Or you can create a schedule for the dark theme. So based on your custom time, for example, you can automatically turn on and off the dark mode. Alright, after that, what we can also do is go to the status bar in order to decide what should be displayed over here in the top right corner of the phone. So you can hide some information that you don't think is necessary to see over here at the top, such as, for example, let's say Bluetooth and, for example, VoLTE and so on and so forth. And you can also enable something that you might consider worth having, so such as the internet speed, for example, or the vibrate mode, perhaps. All right, so after that, we also have font and display size. We can change the font over here, although we don't have much options, so we only have two fonts to choose from. There is also the size of font and the display. So use these sliders in order to make text bigger or smaller, or everything bigger or smaller. We can also enable bold text and high contrast text. If you go to colors, you can make colors look more alive or standard, and you can also adjust the color temperature. Then we also have the night light mode, which allows you to enable the blue light filter or reading mode, which turns screen more yellow or orange-ish. You can also adjust this intensity by moving on this slide over here when the option is enabled. Then we have color contrast, so you can enable medium or high color contrast, and once again enable or disable high contrast text. The display refresh rate allows you to use 120 Hz of screen refresh rate. You can also limit it to 60 if needed. We have HDR display that can be toggled. The display apps in full screen option, so this is the camera cutout option, I believe. And there is also the automatic screen rotation, so with this option enabled, you can rotate the phone in order to rotate the screen in apps that support screen rotation. And the screensaver, of course, so you can customize it as on pretty much every other Android device. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.